Did you know that the microscope was created in Louisiana? Ever looked through a microscope, that double lens view? Yeah, that's a Louisiana invention. I'm sure you had to use one in high school. But did you know you were looking into a device that was created in our great state of Louisiana? Meet John Leonard Riddell, professor of chemistry at the Medical College of Louisiana, now Tulane University in New Orleans, and microscope innovator. He gave us the first practical binocular microscope right here in the 1850s. Riddell's double lens wasn't just for comfort. It opened up a whole new dimension of scientific discovery. Comment below, ever used a microscope? Did you know it was a homegrown invention? Share your memories and questions. Like this video if you're proud of this Louisiana legend. Follow us for more amazing stories. Don't miss out on our next episode. Subscribe to Legends of Louisiana on YouTube. Share our page so you can help our channel grow so we can